For the final project in this course, you will design a fully responsive restaurant website for Flavors of the World, a trendy restaurant offering an international menu. Your goal is to create a sleek, modern website for the restaurant that allows customers to explore the menu, make reservations, and access essential information like the restaurant's location, the hours of operations, etc. You will use Bootstrap's features to ensure that the website is both mobile-friendly and visually engaging. The website's layout must be fully responsive, adjusting seamlessly across all devices. Bootstrap's grid system and responsive classes will be key to achieving this goal. You will implement various interactive elements such as buttons for reservations and forms to capture customer inquiries. To ensure professional look, you'll need to use Bootstrap's utilities for typography, spacing, and color schemes. Make sure the design is consistent and aligns with the restaurant's modern, trendy aesthetic. Your mentor will be available to support throughout the project. Use the insights from your mentor to make any necessary adjustments and improvements. Successfully completing this project will showcase your Bootstrap skills and ability to design a fully responsive, interactive website. Let's get started on building the Flavor of the World restaurant website.